How to get a live notifications from account you follow. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your live settings easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok app. Now click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. In here you're gonna find push notifications. Click on it, scroll down, and you're gonna find live recommended live videos, and you're gonna find live notifications settings. Click on it. Here you're gonna find people you follow, and if you want to get a notifications from account you want, just click on it. For example, now all you need to do is click on get all live notifications, and this is it. Like you see now, the ring icon, there is two there's a difference between the icon of the first following and between the last following. That's mean I turned on live notifications easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.